Immerse yourself in the heart of Brazilian cuisine with this extended Quibebe recipe, a traditional dish that showcases the rich flavors and simplicity of Brazilian cooking. Quibebe is a creamy pumpkin dish, often served as a comforting side that pairs wonderfully with grilled meats, stews, and traditional Brazilian feijoada. Begin by selecting a ripe pumpkin, which is the star of this dish. Look for a pumpkin with deep orange flesh for the best flavor and texture. Peel the pumpkin, remove the seeds, and chop it into small, even cubes. This ensures that the pumpkin cooks evenly and becomes perfectly tender. In a large pot, heat a generous amount of oil over medium heat. Add finely chopped onions and minced garlic, sauteing them until they become soft and translucent. This base will infuse the Quibebe with a depth of flavor. Add the pumpkin cubes to the pot, stirring to coat them with the onion and garlic mixture. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the natural sweetness of the pumpkin. Pour in a small amount of water or chicken broth, just enough to partially cover the pumpkin. The liquid will help steam and soften the pumpkin as it cooks. Cover the pot and let the pumpkin simmer gently. The steam will help the pumpkin cubes become tender without falling apart. Stir occasionally, ensuring the pumpkin cooks evenly. Once the pumpkin is soft, use a potato masher or the back of a fork to mash it directly in the pot. Continue to cook the mashed pumpkin over low heat, allowing it to thicken into a smooth, creamy consistency. For an added touch of richness, stir in a spoonful of butter until it's fully melted and incorporated into the Quibebe. The butter adds a velvety texture and a hint of luxury to the dish. Finish the Quibebe with a sprinkle of chopped fresh cilantro or parsley. These herbs add a burst of color and a fresh, aromatic flavor that complements the creamy pumpkin beautifully. Serve your Quibebe warm, alongside your favorite Brazilian dishes. Its creamy texture and comforting flavor make it a versatile side dish that's perfect for any meal. Enjoy the extended Brazilian Quibebe recipe, a celebration of Brazil's culinary heritage. This simple yet delicious dish is a testament to the country's rich agricultural bounty and its people's knack for creating vibrant, flavorful cuisine.